In this video, I will show you how to remove ManyChat from Instagram, and this is really simple, so make sure to follow along. So first of all, what do we need to do over here is you can see uh, you have our settings option and we have Instagram over here. And by the way, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month of ManyChat Pro completely for free. So alright, so if you simply want to remove your account, what you can do is simply head over to Instagram. Since we want to remove ManyChat from Instagram, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on this remove option. You can see it is asking, do you really want to remove Instagram account? You have 25 Instagram contacts, and you can see I want to check both of these. And if you want to remove it, click on remove and type in here remove and click on confirm, and this is going to be removing your account from ManyChat. So this is how simple it is, and our Instagram is now removed. And yeah, so this is how you remove your Instagram from ManyChat. Make sure to head over to the link in the description below to enjoy 1 month pro plan on ManyChat. And yeah, see you around in the next video.